Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer videos from Google Photos to your computer. You have to start by opening your browser and then at the search bar at the top write Google Photos. Now you need to sign in into your account and click the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your current account. You can add account, or also right here, if you have multiple accounts, you can switch between them. After that, select the video what you wanna save. Let's say you wanna save these two videos. I just select them and then click the three dots at the right top and click download. Or if you want to save only one video, you need to sign in, you need to open this video and then three dots and download. And now we have, so this one is single video, what I download, so you can move it something else from download. Or if you save multiply videos, you need to open this file right here and then move it somewhere. Let's say to download. And now we have these videos here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!